the one thing that's not going to let you down? Is the one thing that you learned all the way back in grade 5, factor trees. It'll never let you down. Look at this question. It says, determine the perimeter of a square floor mat. You know that this is a square. So if it's a square, that means this, 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 and this, they're all equal. So you're talking about an area of meter squared, which you know is length times width. But wait a second. Length and width in a square is just a side times a side, which works out to be side squared. There's your area. And your area is 1296 meters squared. Oh, so how do I find the length and width, or in this case, the side? Simple. Square root both sides. So you're looking at the square root of 1296. Now, that's a bit of a problem because what is a square root of 1296? If you don't have a calculator, you're going to go by twos. Twos, 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 all over the place. Well, I don't want to go by twos. I want to make this a little bit simpler, but I want to show the factor tree and how it works, okay? Let's do it. Here we go. 1296. Let's pop it into our calculator. So I know 1296 is divisible by 2, but that's going to give us another easier number. So, okay, 1296 divided by 4. That still gives us an even number. How about 1296 divided by, what would be next? How about 8? Okay, let's try that. Oh, 162. Even number. Let's go 1296. Let's divide this by 16. See what we get. Oh, 81. Oh, 16 and 81. Now I know that that's not divisible by 2 anymore, but look at 16 and look at 81. Ah, interesting. 16 by 81. Now the cool thing is, you know and I know that these guys are perfect squares. 4 times 4 and 9 times 9. Okay, so wait a second. What does that mean? Perfect squares means, look at this. You got a 4 with a 9, which is 36. You got another 4 and another 9. There's your perfect square. The square root of 1296 is 36. So each length is 36 and 36. But wait, don't forget, I gave you a unit, so you better tell me this is 36 by 36. Isn't that a neat way of doing this? It's so incredibly cool. Well, then let's do the same thing for the volume of this cubic box. Notice that the box volume is cubic, which means you can cube root it. So let's take the cube root of 27. Oh my goodness, how are we going to do this? Well, there's zeros again. Think about this. Is this not 27 times 1, 2, 3, 1,000? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep on going. Let's see what we can do with this. Sure, check this out. Isn't 27, we can break this down. This is 9 times 3. Break down the 9. 3 times 3. Oh my goodness, there's my cube. But wait, we haven't dealt with the 1,000 yet. Well, isn't that 10 times 100? Which is also, guess what? 10 times, you got it, 10 times 10. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. No, I'm not. Look, 3 goes with a 10 to give me 30. The other 3 goes with the other 10 to give me 30. And this last 3 goes with the last 10 to give me 30. There's my cube root. My cube root of 27,000 is actually 30. 30 what? Well, this is inches cubed, so 30 inches. That means my nice little cubic box here is 30 by 30 by 30. Isn't that not cool? Oh, wait, inches, inches, inches. Now I can say it's cool.